Hi there, my name is Laura. I live in Bucks County, Pennsylvania. I'm pursuing my MSW about 8 years after I graduated with my bachelor's degree. I got my degree in human development and family studies from the University of Connecticut back in 2012. I actually started a master's program in Connecticut in 2014, but at the time I didn't feel like I had the knowledge or the passion or the experience to continue with the program, and I actually ended up withdrawing from it. So I just continued just to pursue work, but really the last job that I currently have as a blended case manager has really renewed my interest and passion in social work, which is why I'm now coming back for the MSW program. Um, Everything is a balance. So now that I'm older, I'm also balancing school, full time work. I have a 1-year-old daughter. I have two golden retrievers. I have a cat. So uh, it's a lot to balance, but I'm excited to continue with this program. I do recognize some of the names from my previous class, and for those of you I have not worked with yet, hello, and I look forward to interacting with everyone this during this class.